Accidental firearm deaths are often cited by the progressive left as a health crisis in the United States. Many times this is used as a way to push for overbearing and unconstitutional laws intended to prevent what the left pushes as an epidemic. But if accidental gun deaths are an epidemic, what does that say about other deaths in this country? For instance, medical malpractice deaths stand at over 500 times higher than accidental gun-related fatalities, with as many as 400,000 deaths per year compared to roughly 500 gun-related accident deaths per year. Now, even including homicides and suicides doesn't come close to bringing gun-related deaths to 36,000, which still falls woefully short of even the lowest malpractice death estimates. Now, I'm not trying to diminish in any way the devastation that would come with any loss of life. 500 accidental gun deaths is 500 too many, and quite often a lack of education on basic gun safety and handling is at issue. But gun-related deaths have become so politicized and agenda-driven by the anti-gun advocates and those who are anti-gun progressives that Americans have, in a way, lost all perspective. How much news coverage is dedicated to the relatively rare occurrence of a gun-related accident versus what is clearly a problem of 400,000 people, unfortunately losing their lives through various manners of medical malpractice? You've all seen the many reports or the wall-to-wall coverage. Well, I don't know, have you? It's just more evidence that the battleground is in the media landscape, where you have biased players who paint a view of the world that causes many individuals to fall in line with the aspirations of anti-gun advocates. How many people, if you ask them right now, would have any idea that malpractice deaths exceed all gun deaths by a factor of 10 and accidental gun deaths by a factor of 500? How much do you want to bet that many of them think homicides and accidents are far higher due to an agenda driven in the media? We have to cut through that perception and discredit the biased press on this in any way we can, or we'll never get through to the people who really need to hear the truth.